ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకున్న కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు కూడా నిర్వహించబడు. ఈ యొక్క అవకాశాన్ని సద్వినియోగం చేసుకోవాలని 10th చదివే విద్యార్థులకు విజ్ఞప్తి చేస్తున్నాను.
Now we have seen the distance between 2 points on the x axis and on the y axis. Now we will see the distance between 2 points on the coordinate plane. So, it can be on the xy plane. So, I am talking about the distance between 2 points on the xy plane. It means like x coordinate axis, means x axis and the y axis, like this. So, here let us suppose I got positive x and positive y, negative x and negative y, that is like this. This is the origin, as we know. Now, I got 2 points. Let us suppose here this is the point x1 comma 0. So, this let us suppose this is a point which is x1 y1. So, distance from here it is this, and from here it is 0 comma y1. Let us suppose that is y1, this is x1, 1 point. In the same way, let us suppose I got another point b, x2 comma y2. So, this point let us suppose that is x2 comma 0, and this point will be 0 comma y2 on the y axis. I want to find the distance between these 2 points, distance between AB, this point and this point, this point, AB distance I need to find. So, here as I told you, the distance between these two, let us suppose I will join these two, the distance between these two is how much? Just now we have seen. Distance between 2 points on the x axis can be taken as x2 minus x1. In the same way, the distance between 2 points on the y axis can be taken as y2 minus y1. So, this is x2 minus x1. So, if we properly observe this one is which diagram? Yes, right angle triangle. So, it is looking like right angle triangle. So, angle is 90 here. So, I can use Pythagoras theorem to find the distance between these 2 points. As you know, the Pythagoras theorem. What is that Pythagoras theorem? So, here using this formula, here I can use, that is hypotenuse square is equal to, as you know, maybe you have learned like this, side square plus side square, that is hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square, or else as you learned, hypotenuse square can be written as side square plus side square. So, AB square can be written as, let us suppose this is C point, this is A, this is B, this is C. So, hypotenuse square is nothing but AB square side square, let us suppose this is AC. So, this is AC square and another side is BC, this is BC square. So, AB square can be written as, what is AC we got as? Nothing but the distance between these two, which is x2 minus x1. So, I can substitute here, that is x2 minus x1 whole square. In the same way, BC, what is that BC? Nothing but this the distance between these two, nothing but y2 minus y1. So, this becomes, I want the distance between these 2 points. Let us suppose AB can be written as square will become what? Root, that is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So, this can be taken as the general formula which we will be using to get 7 marks or 4 marks or 1 mark or 2 marks in this. I am sorry, we will be getting 4 marks or 2 marks and 1 mark using this formula. This is the basic formula of coordinate geometry, which is called as the distance between 2 points, any given 2 points. So, what is the formula? AB is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, or else we can learn this formula as AB is equal to root over x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. In any way you can learn this formula. So, this is about the distance between these 2 points AB. So, here we have seen the distance between 2 points on the xy plane. Now, we will see something about again.
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K. Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So, right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation, but let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach, a cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So, in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So, if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join.
The distance of a point from the origin. This is the origin. Let us suppose I got this point P x comma y. I want to find the distance of this point P from the origin. So, which one? This one I need to find. This one, this dotted line. This is the distance I need to find. This is the distance. This is the distance I need to find. So, we already know this point will become x comma 0 and this will become y comma 0 comma y. So, as you can see, again it is looking like right angle triangle. So, let us suppose this is OP and this is some R. So, right angle triangle formula. So, what is that right angle triangle formula? OP square can be written as OR square plus PR square. So, OR square is nothing but what is the distance between this? Nothing but we already know that is x is the distance from the y axis, and what is the distance? We already know that this is y distance, nothing but this one, which is nothing but this. So, I can write this OP square hypotenuse square. Let us suppose this is OP square hypotenuse square can be written as side square plus side square. How much is the distance here? X, and here how much is the distance? Y. From where we got this y? Nothing but this. When this is y, this will be y. Therefore, substituting here OR square is x square and PR square is y square. Therefore, the distance between the origin and any point on the plane can be taken as root over x square plus y square. A simple example, suppose I want to find the distance of a point A 2, 3 from the origin from this point. So, what will be the formula? Directly you can use OA can be written as root over what is x here? X is nothing but 2, y is nothing but 3. So, directly you can take this as 4 plus 9, that becomes root 13, 2 square plus 3 square, which is nothing but root 13. So, we can find directly the distance between any point and the origin using this formula OP is equal to root over x square plus y square.